Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2009 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 9,092 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Cobra exhaust, front fender, RM fairing, and a backrest, and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. This factory trike offers all the enjoyment and thrills of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. This stripped-down trike is powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine with a 6-speed transmission that puts out an impressive 122 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a seat height of 27 inches. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.